Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to block Temu ads. So, if you're seeing too many Temu ads, there are several ways to reduce or block them depending on where they appear. So, if the ads are showing on websites, you can install a reputable ad blocker such as uBlock Origin or AdGuard in your web browser. So, these extensions can block most display and video ads, including many Temu advertisements. So if you're seeing Temu ads on social media apps like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, so tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then from here, choose hide ad, report ad, or not interested. So doing this helps the platform show you fewer similar ads over time. Next, you can also go to Temu app. So open Temu app. Now go to you at the bottom. Next, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Go to notifications and turn off notifications for promotions. So click promotions, click edit, and just turn it off, especially email, in app notifications, and push notifications. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.